Welcome to the Throttle channel that brings you an alluring motor vehicle experience. Today we need to know why the new Toyota Fielder is referred to as surambaya in Kenya ***. In Kenya, the new Toyota Fielder has garnered the nickname surambaya, which translates to bad face in Swahili. This designation has sparked curiosity among automotive enthusiasts and consumers alike. The term surambaya is not an official designation from Toyota but rather a colloquial expression that reflects the sentiments of certain segments of the Kenyan population regarding the vehicle's design. While the Toyota Fielder has long been celebrated for its reliability and practicality, the latest model has faced mixed reviews concerning its aesthetic appeal. Critics of the new design argue that it lacks the sleek and modern features that many expected, leading to this unfavorable nickname. However, it is important to note that the vehicle continues to uphold Toyota's reputation for durability and efficiency, which remain significant selling points for many buyers. The Toyota Fielder has established itself as a popular choice among families and businesses in Kenya due to its spacious interior and fuel efficiency. Despite the criticisms regarding its appearance, the vehicle's performance and functionality continue to attract a loyal customer base. The nickname, surambaya, reflects a cultural perspective on the vehicle's design rather than its overall quality. As consumers evaluate their options, the Toyota Fielder remains a reliable choice, balancing practicality with Toyota's renowned engineering excellence. The Toyota Fielder, a versatile and practical vehicle, has garnered attention for its appealing design and functionality. With its friendly aesthetic, often described as a smile face, the Fielder stands out in the compact car segment, making it an attractive choice for families and individuals alike. The Toyota Fielder has established itself as a beloved vehicle among Kenyan consumers for several compelling reasons. This compact station wagon, known for its reliability and efficiency, has gained a significant following in the country. One of the primary factors contributing to the Fielder's popularity is its reputation for durability. Toyota vehicles, in general, are renowned for their long-lasting performance, and the Fielder is no exception. Many owners appreciate that the car can withstand the challenging road conditions often found in Kenya, making it a practical choice for both urban and rural settings. Fuel efficiency is another critical aspect that the design of the Toyota Fielder emphasizes not only visual appeal but also aerodynamics and efficiency. Its rounded edges and well-proportioned features contribute to a welcoming front fascia that invokes a sense of reliability and comfort. This design philosophy not only enhances the car's appearance but also improves its performance on the road. Under the hood, the Toyota Fielder is equipped with a range of efficient engines that deliver impressive fuel economy without sacrificing power. This makes it an ideal option for those who prioritize both performance and cost-effectiveness. Additionally, the spacious interior and ample cargo space ensure that it meets the diverse needs of its users, whether for daily commuting or longer journeys. Safety is a paramount consideration in the design of the Fielder. It comes equipped with a variety of advanced safety features aimed at protecting occupants and enhancing driving confidence. These include airbags, stability control, and modern braking systems, making it a reliable choice for families. The Toyota Fielder, with its friendly smile face, offers a blend of style, practicality, and safety. It is a car that not only looks good on the road but also performs exceptionally well, making it a smart choice for those seeking a reliable and attractive vehicle. Subscribe.